Hi, I'm Leela from Korean Cooking. Today I'm going to make basmati rice using the absorption method, which is an all-in-one pot. So you just shove it all in, measure the water, put the lid on it, and voila. Cooking down half a medium onion, and once that's done I'm going to add in the carrots and the mushrooms. You can pop in anything you want to, and just cook them down for a couple of minutes. Then I'm going to pop in the whole packet of spices, which smell absolutely gorgeous. So I've washed and rinsed off all the starch from the rice. I'm going to add it straight into the pan. Give it a quick stir. I used one of these of rice and I'm going to use 2 of cold water. So I've given this a good stir, and what we need to do now is just wait for the water to start bubbling. So I've got a few bubbles going here. I'm just going to give it one last stir. I haven't stirred it excessively because you don't want to break up your little grains of rice. When it starts bubbling, pop a lid on it and just turn the gas down. Okay, so that's been 10 minutes, so we're just going to have a quick look. So now with the back of a wooden spoon, just going to give it a little stir, and I'm just going to check to make sure that the rice is cooked, which it is. Now to stop it from overcooking, what you do is you transfer it into another dish straight away. So how easy was that? And it's going to taste gorgeous as well, whether you have it with your curry or whether you have it by itself with some chutney or some yoghurt. Thank you for Korean Cooking.